Gel electrophoresis
by
Mia Hoover
and Sydney Lane. This is an example of a DNA strand being cut up by restriction enzymes to see which DNA matches. If the DNA matches up in where the restriction enzymes cut it, then they are the same DNA. Gel electrophoresis extracts DNA from a cell, then exposes it into a DNA polymerase. It will build a polymers of DNA, then you will put it into a thermocycler to make it work at certain temperatures. The DNA will cycle in the thermocycler and give you more sample sizes of DNA. Then you will cut it into different lengths with restriction enzymes. You can compare DNA with someone when putting it into a gel, since they are the same lengths.
This is transcription. First, the DNA strand nucleotide pairs adenine with thymine and guanine with cytosine. Second, the RNA will peel apart from the DNA, and then the mRNA will connect to the DNA. mRNA has the same pairs except for uracil replaces thymine. Third, a new translation is started when the mRNA leaves the nucleus to go through the nuclear pores, which goes through to the ribosomes. This is translation. First, the mRNA will go to the ribosome. Second, a corresponding tRNA and anticodon will attach to a third letter mRNA codon, which is a corresponding amino acid. Third, the amino acids will form a polypeptide protein chain.
Death of Anna Garcia. We predict that Anna Garcia could have died from natural causes. The police were informed from Anna's mom and sister that Anna had diabetes. There was throw up on the floor, which could have been caused by diabetes when you get nauseous or dizzy from not having insulin. When Anna was dizzy, she could have fallen and hit her head on the chair, and she could have started bleeding from the fall and be knocked out unconscious or dead at the second. Anna was in the lab without any attention until the morning, which could have been the reason she died. She was left alone for too long. HIPAA stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It is a federal law that protects the confidentiality and security of health information. Your health records are given to other healthcare providers so they can access your records to support your treatment, insurance companies so they can provide doctors and hospitals for your health care, public health agencies can access your records so they can protect the public's health, law enforcement agencies can also access your records with a warrant, family relatives